In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the third brake light in this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Taking a Phillips head screwdriver, take these two screws out. Grab the light assembly, slide it up. On the back side, we're going to remove the sockets, just twist and slide them out. Those slide right out. And down below, for the brake light, you just squeeze the two sides together and it slides right off. Take the new one, slide it in the same way, just line it up. Lock it down, take the sockets and twist. Before we put it back on, just wipe this area just with a rag. Now slide it in place. Take the screws, line the screws up. Snug it down, not too tight, you don't want to crack it. Just snug, that's good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.